morning, everybody. This is Rob Moffitt. Guys, today I'm going to do hopefully a very quick video of an update of a video I did about almost 5 years ago. Somebody asked me about the lighting kit that I purchased and did a video on about almost 5 years now. And they were wanting to buy one and wonder if it was any good and see how it's holding up after 5 years. I thought that would be a very good topic for a video. So that's what we're doing today. I'm going to give you a quick update of what's been happening with the lighting kit that I purchased about 5 years ago and see how it's holding up. I purchased this lighting kit for about $136 and they charged about $23 for shipping, so it cost me close to $160. The good news is now you can get this for about $109 with free shipping. There are two things, maybe three things wrong with it. Uh, By the way, this is the video that I made almost 5 years ago. I'll leave a link in the video description. Also, I'll leave a link to where you can purchase this if you like on Amazon. If you do that, they throw me a few pennies and always helps me make more videos. This is the lighting kit as it stands now. It's $109. Here's one of the problems. The stand is kind of, even though it looks wide, it's not wide enough. When I use it, it fell over several times, but I'll show you a very inexpensive, quick solution how to fix that. The second thing is the seams where the cloth attaches to the cover. It's starting to fall apart. The cloth is just coming into like pieces of paper. It's just I've never seen anything like that. Right where it attaches with the Velcro on the covers, it's starting to fall apart. Now you can fix that pretty easy with some duct tape, but as time has gone by, almost 5 years now, it's falling apart. Also, even when I did the review, excuse me, back 5 years ago, I could tell this was not industrial grade piece of equipment. The plastic fittings and the metal fittings, they're not of very high quality. So if you had to have a kit that you were constantly opening and closing and assembling and reassembling, disassembling, taking apart, you wouldn't want to purchase this. But for me, it was perfect because I left it standing after I opened it up and assembled it and never took it apart again. It's been in my kitchen in the front room ever since, and it's been working great. I've used it since the last 5 years, at least twice a week for 5 years. So that's quite a lot of videos. And it's kind of big, but that's okay. You want something that's big, throws out a lot of light. It comes with 45-watt bulbs, four of them, but I replaced two of them with 100-watt bulbs. That way it gives me option of having low light with the 45s on one side or a higher light with the 45 and 100s together. The This is my studio in the kitchen. That's a one-bedroom apartment, guys. Don't do too hard on me. But this is where I make all my cooking videos. And one-man show. I have overhead lighting. I have lighting from this window, lighting from the stove, and then I also add lighting. Sometimes two of these. Um, and most time I just put a little camera above the counter facing down. It works out perfect. You don't even need this tripod. But the light, I leave it in the corner. It's unobtrusive. It doesn't bother me a bit. In fact, it's a topic of conversation when people come over. They want to know what the lights are for, and I get to explain to them about my YouTube videos. And so it doesn't take up as much room as you would think because it fits over in the corner. But the easy way to fix it from falling over is you just add a water jug with some line onto this part of the stand, and that's about 8 pounds. So that keeps it from falling over, and it works out fine. Um, the cloth, look how bad it is. It's coming apart. It's super thin, and it's like gauze. But even gauze is stronger than this. I'm so surprised. There's no excuse for that. I've never seen anything that bad in my life. That's like the thinnest, cheapest cloth I've ever seen. This is how thin it is. This is the light coming through it. Like paper would hold the light back more than that would. That's how thin it is. But you can fix it easily with duct tape, so it's not that big of a deal. But that's something to think about. Also, even though the fuse and the switches and the lights work fine, some of the parts, the plastic parts, they're not really, I don't have a lot of confidence in them. So if you had to take this apart and reassemble it constantly, I think you would get a lot of wear and these wouldn't last as long. So For a starter kit, a beginner kit, I actually think this is still a good deal. In fact, considering the price has gone down quite a bit, and with free shipping, it's an even better bargain. And most people nowadays, they've switched over to LCD, LED. This still takes the compact fluorescents, which are dangerous if they break, But if you're trying to save some money and you want three lighting system, this is, I think, a good deal. Um, but you got to be careful in falling over. This, after a while, seems to wear out. So that's my review. After 5 years of using it, I'm still happy with it. It's just, it's inexpensive, very cheaply made, but it does the job for me in my studio, my YouTube world. So guys, hope this video helps you out. I put on new videos every week, been doing it for 11 years, got over 700 videos, got a whole bunch of people I think are cool that you want to check out, feature on my channel, and a bunch of playlists. Like I said, do stuff. You never know what I'm going to have every week, one or two videos on different things. And come back, check it out, watch more. I hope you all like what you see. And don't forget to check out my links I have in the video description. And if you like what you see, you can also go through that link I have and see my store on Amazon and see the stuff I actually like and buy. And maybe there's something there you like. And if you go through that link, anything you buy on Amazon, not just my store, they throw me a few pennies. So that always helps me out. I don't have Patreon. I just have some really friendly, nice people that when they go on Amazon, they help me out that way. And all right, guys, I'm rambling here. Time to go. Take care. Hope you like the video. See you out there.